create Google Meet link, you first have to locate your Gmail app and open it. Once on this interface, navigate to the bottom right corner where you see this camera icon and tap on it. Then with this selected, you'll be redirected to an interface like this with the Meet on top of it. Now, in order for us to get a link that we can share to our friends and family, we have to tap on New Meeting. A pop-up menu will appear with a list of options. In order for us to create the Google Meet link, we just have to scroll down and then click on Get a Meeting Link to share. Then with this selected, another pop-up menu will appear, giving us the link that we can copy it here. So when we tap on this copied icon, that's it, the Google Meeting link is copied. So you can move out of this interface and share it to family and friends. So assuming if you want to have an instant meeting, you can navigate back to the new meeting and then proceed to tap on Start an Instant Meeting. So this will give you the flexibility to have an instant meeting right away. Or you can later schedule the meeting in a Google Calendar by tapping in the Schedule in Google Calendar, and then you can give the title, the duration of the meeting and the date, how you want to be reminded, and the location of everything here. After that, you can then proceed to tap on Save. And that's it. We have successfully created a Google Meeting link. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.